Bet you didn't know we worked on bikes. Let's get after it. Let me introduce you guys to Dave. He rode the bike here from Kansas, and I'm gonna ask him 2 questions. So does it ride like a Harley?
No, it does not ride like a Harley. I don't have to use Effordent to keep my dentures in.
Okay, seriously now, tell me about the bike.
Okay, well, this is a 2000 Kawasaki Drifter. You'll notice the big fenders on the front and the rear. It was designed as a tribute to the 1948 Indian chief with modern day technology. 1500 cubic centimeter, shaft drive, water cooled, just an absolute pleasure to ride.
So what are we working on, Dave?
Well, what we're going to do today is, in a moment, we'll show you that the left turn indicator or blinker on the bike is broken. The housing is busted right here. And so we're going to use this to replace that. Now, I did notice this weekend, following Clyde to the car show, that it would be nice if your shop assistant were to buy a set of these and install them on Clyde.
Definitely.
Hey, not cool, man.
All right, Peyton, what we're going to do is the steps we need to do. You'll notice that there's a screw on each side of here with a Phillips screwdriver. Okay, I'm going to have you remove those. We'll take the headlight out. We'll disconnect it, and we'll hand it to the shop assistant.
Okay.
Okay. Once we get that done, before we
I
start,
know, I'm just making sure.
we're gonna trace our wire to our broken indicator here,
Okay.
and we're gonna find out where it connects inside.
Okay.
Once we get those disconnected, there's a nut under the bottom side here. Okay?
Okay.
We're gonna undo that nut, and then we'll be able to pull it out, and then we can install the new one.
Okay. Almost turned it the wrong way. That wouldn't help.
All right, before you do that, you'll notice that there's a little sleeve. You got the whole thing. All right, disregard.
Yeah, I got
Yep,
everything.
good job. My fat fingers usually have to take 2 trips on the parts.
Is it this way?
Yep.
Okay. It's opposite, so. Get out of there. There we go, that's better. Oh, I see the little thingy. I see the thingy right there. This right
There we
there.
go.
This is the little pouch thing you're talking about?
Yep, that's the little sleeve.
This
Go
little
ahead and
sleeve. Right there.
put those in
I'm gonna put
your parts tray.
it back there.
All right, and then, so to take the housing out, we grab it underneath here, and there's a clip on the top.
Okay.
So now what we want to do is you want to grasp it at the side right here and pull that this direction.
This thing?
Yep. I'm going to go ahead and hold the light for you.
Come on.
Here you go. You got it.
There.
There you go. All right. Now we're going to hand this to the shop assistant. All right. So get my big
There's a
head
lot
out
of
of the
wiring
way.
in there.
There is a lot of wiring in there. All right. So
Sorry if I blind everybody from Dave's head.
if you notice, I'm wiggling the wire. You see it moving over here.
Yeah.
Okay. So we've got those 3.
Those are the fluorescent you were talking
Right.
about.
And so what you want to do is you want to hold at the bottom and then just pull the top part out.
So it's right there, and then do I just grab onto this?
Yep. There you go.
Like that?
All right. Yep. Now do the next one there.
Doing this one.
Yep.
It's not exactly easy to do this.
Correct. All right. All right, Peyton. So the next thing I need you to do is to remove the wire from out of the headlight housing.
This windshield isn't exactly in the good spot.
Right. It's not friendly, is it?
No.
Okay. Now you're going to need your 14 millimeter wrench. Okay, there's a nut underneath the housing here, and you need to remove that nut. Now, when we say remove that nut, we're not talking about making the shop assistant leave the building.
Rude. You're bald.
Shots fired. Shots
Have
fired.
you seen a mirror lately, my friend?
Shots
Clearly
fired.
no.
Shots fired. Probably just do this. Yep, I sure can.
While Peyton is working on that, we want to make sure that Iron Horse Garage understands Big Red is the official soda of Honest Peyton Speed Shop and the unofficial soda of the North.
Boom.
Excellent. You've got it out. All right. So, as the folks at home can see, this is busted. Sorry, holding it below the camera. As you can see, this is really busted. This is why we're replacing the blinker.
Well, now all 5 people couldn't see it, Dave. There. Perfect. I think even Jeremy in the back saw it.
All right, so
They're such goofballs.
all right, so let's grab the new one.
Not that one.
It's the only one on there.
Okay, and so we're just going to do the reverse steps now.
Okay.
Okay, so I need you to, first of all, we'll feed the wire through.
There you go.
Okay.
Do you want me to put the nut on?
Right, we want to put the nut, nope, we've got to feed it down here.
Oh yeah. Probably should have thought of that before.
That's all right.
There we go.
All right, I'll hold this here for you while you get that started. Okay, go ahead and tighten that down with your fingers and then snug it up with the wrench.
Does it have to be like really tight?
Well, I can tell you Scott will be happy that it's Peyton tight and not Dave tight.
And not Chad tight.
Yep, there you go. That'll be good right there.
Because he'll probably break it.
Rude.
All right, so now what I need you to do is there's a clip back here. You just want to slide that in behind the clip.
It's gonna take a little bit. There we go.
There you go. All right. Now the hole that you pulled that out of, you want to feed those 3 back in through
If
there.
I can see. Oh, there we go. I think I need to. Nope, I can't see. I have to like feel. Got it? Oh, I'm right on the spot the whole time.
All right. So now we want to match the wires. And in true fashion, we have a red wire, a black wire with a white stripe, and a black wire.
That has yellow on it.
And then we're going to match it up to a black wire with a yellow stripe,
That
a
doesn't make
red
sense.
wire with a blue stripe, and a green wire.
That doesn't make any sense. They should be like the same color.
They should be.
But apparently they're not.
Right.
So which one goes to which?
All right. 3 hours later, as you can see, we have lights on. The left side and the right side. Right. Left side, right side. And if you'll notice, the left side flashes like little Johnny getting up late for school. The right side, however, flashes like honest Peyton after 3 big reds. Hey guys, took us a few minutes. We had to hop on the struggle bus.
Yep.
As I mentioned, the wires coming from the bike versus the wires coming from the blinker were different colors. Took us a moment to get the combination correct to make sure we had the proper blinker usage. Now we're going to just repeat the same process on the right side, and we will be back with you as soon as we have that completed. Now that we have the blinkers both fixed, we're going to reinstall the headlight into the headlight housing. Okay. Double check, make sure the holes are lined up.
Yep.
All right, and you got the sleeve on the inside.
Yep.
All right.
Could you push it this way a little bit? Yeah. Because then it's... Stop drinking my big red.
I'm the major sponsor at Honest Peyton Speed Shop.
Yeah.
When the foreman lets me.
All right. Switch sides.
Hey, the holes are right there.
And as you'll notice, unlike the shop assistants, no gloves needed.
Rude.
Try not to, whatever it's called, the screw. Dull it or whatever.
Strip it out.
Yeah,
That's
strip
right.
it.
There you go. All right. Let's do a check. Make sure we have Hey, I just want to thank Peyton for helping out, fixing the lights, because as you can see, this is what the blinker was. This was my fix.
Literally holding it together.
We had this taped around here, tongue depressor sticks on here, wrapping that thing together, and that's how I drove 751 miles to come support the car show
Which is not
this weekend.
Which is not smart.
This past weekend.
Not smart.
Great time though. Anyway, again, thanks a lot. Thanks Peyton for having me up here. Make sure you thank the shop assistant.
Thank you, shop assistant.
Take my wallet.
Are we ready?
Yeah.
All right, so what we're doing here is we're checking the oil. There's a little window down here that shows me whether or
Take that
not we
farther.
need some oil. And it is showing that we need a little bit of oil in there. So I'm going to remove this cap here, pour in a little oil, and we'll be good to go. Now that we've got the bike taken care of, I want to give a shout out to my riding partner, cousin Vinny, for letting me borrow his bike because mine is in the shop torn apart. Vinny, thanks a lot. Appreciate you letting me ride the bike.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Keep on rich and have a great day.